look at how cute on the back it says the Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about lifestyle, owning your own business, travel, fashion try-ons, hauls, all the things. And today I'm super excited because today we have a fun haul video. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I recently bought my first sweat set from the Mayfair Group. I absolutely love the Mayfair Group for a few reasons. Number one, I love the values behind the company. I love the way that they communicate with customers. I love their designs. I love the materials that they use to make their sweat sets. Their sweat sets are so freaking comfy. They're soft as butter, and they're just so cute. A lot of their sweat sets are very mental health focused. They have mostly like the designs for the sweat sets are mostly centered around kind of like mental health-ish messaging. So they have a lot of sets that say like, be nice to people, be kind, empathy, you are loved, all those kinds of things. Somebody loves me. That is what I got, the Somebody Loves You sweat set in my first Mayfair unboxing video that I put on the channel not that long ago. And now I'm so excited because I also ordered another sweat set from the Mayfair Group. And I actually ordered this one before I ordered the other one, but it took a while to come in because it was sold out. I had pre-ordered it, and it is the Avery Woods collab with the Mayfair Group. It is a brown sweat set, and if you know me, you know I have fallen more in love with the color brown over this last year than I probably ever thought I would. And so I'm so excited to try on this sweat set, and I figured why not do a little try on video, show you guys the set, try it on, maybe style it with some shoes, get it on, see how it feels, and show you guys in the process. So let's do this $202 Mayfair Group unboxing. Also, a little something new and fun for this video. I just got my nails done. So these are the new nails. Let me get closer. We did a two-toned French manicure with a light kind of sage-ish green at the top and then a kind of olivey green at the bottom. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with these because if you saw my pack for Colombia video, you know that Matt and I are going to Colombia, and these nails are going to perfectly fit. Hold on, let's do a little thumbnail. These nails are going to perfectly fit the dress that I'm wearing. Like they're gonna perfectly match. So I'm so excited. So let's get into this Mayfair Group unboxing. I just opened up the package. We have our sweatpants here. We have our sweatshirt here. I'm so excited. So let's get to trying these on. First up, let's try the sweatpants on. Okay, before I put the sweatpants on, okay, look how cute on the back. It says the Mayfair Group X Avery Woods. I literally am obsessed with the colors that they picked for this collab. Like, I love the font that they have her name in, and I just absolutely love the colors. These sweatpants are super plain, with the exception of this reminder, you are loved. Oh, they're so cute. Let me put them on. Oh my gosh, they're so soft. They're so soft and they fit perfectly. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. These are so freaking cute. They're so cute, they're so cute. Okay, let me try on the top. Okay, so now that we've got the sweatpants on, and I will drop the camera for you guys to see the set in its full length, of course. You gotta try the top. It's so cute. I love that it's got like a little collar and a V-neck. Again, the matching reminder, you are loved, as well as on the back. And you guys, the loved is in like puff print. How cute. Literally, it's so cute. Oh, it's just adorable. And then these cutie things on the sleeve. We've got a little smiley face guy. We have this cutie little cowboy hat, a little mushroom, and this that says ILY. It's so cute. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Absolutely obsessed. And then the also sweatshirt has the Mayfair Group times Avery, and then these cutie like cherry hearts. Oh my gosh, how cute. Let me try it on. I love it. You guys, it's on. It's so freaking cute. I absolutely love this. It is so soft. This is so freaking soft and so cozy. I honestly could not love this anymore. Let me drop the camera and put on some sneakers so you guys can see it in its full length. How cute is the little collar? Oh my gosh, I honestly love this set, you guys. I'm so happy, and I think it looks adorable with these sneakers, especially these sneakers because they like have a little bit of brown in them. Oh my gosh. I think this outfit is so cute. I will be traveling a lot in this outfit. Literally, there's a small chance I wear this to Colombia, but there's also a chance I don't because it's very thick, which is an incredible thing, but from a travel standpoint, it's always tough to bring thick sweat sets for travel because then if you're not wearing it and you have to get it into your suitcase, you have to like shove it into the suitcase. So I don't know yet whether I'm going to be wearing this for this exact trip, but you can bet the next time I'm not going on an international trip and I'm just going somewhere for a little bit, like I will be wearing this for when Matt and I go to Pittsburgh to visit my mom and sister and my sister's partner when we get back from Colombia. But this is the Mayfair Group Avery Woods Collab sweat set, the reminder you are loved. Mayfair Group and Avery Woods. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Round of applause to the Mayfair Group and Avery. I love this thing. It is so cute, so cozy. Love the design, love the colors. I love everything about it. I love that these pieces are like puff print, literally textured onto, they're like textured on the sleeves. Oh, it's just so, so cute. And what I do love about this set too is my other set that I got from the Mayfair Group is very, very loud and bright. This one's a little bit more subtle, so I love that I now have like a really big, bright kind of like personality sweat set from the Mayfair Group, and I also have like a more kind of subtle but just as equally cozy set. So if you guys enjoyed this little Mayfair Group unboxing, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.